thank you for watching avivTarot, and today we are going to do another flip through deck review of this deck. It's called the Black Cat's Tarot. The Black Cat's Tarot. I bought this on the magic.com website. I have that link in the description box below, so you can go ahead and use that link and you'll also get a 5% off. And I recommend this website only because it is the cheapest website that I found to purchase this deck. You can of course purchase this on probably Amazon and Book Depository as well, or any other websites or your local tarot stores. But I recommend the magic.com website because it is the cheapest place I found. So you can use the link below in the description box. And I actually purchased this for a while, but I haven't used it because I didn't do the flip through. I want to do the open box. But again, like I said, when I always make this in dual languages. So I've already did the Chinese one, and so it's already been opened. If you want to experience that opening of the deck, you can refer to the Chinese one. But so here's the deck itself. It's by this major publishing company, Los Garobio, right? Los Garobio publishing company. So if you own their other decks, you would know it's the size, the type of material, and all that stuff. So this is the standard tarot deck size. Also the standard tarot guidebook, which this publishing house always include. It's in like 5 different languages or something like that, or 4 different languages. And I feel like their description is always very similar. Okay. So that's that. And as you know, the Los Garobio publishing house, they always have like a title card and an ending card. So this is the title card, the ending card. I do want to say that now that I have it opened, the Garobio's deck, they always have like in 4 different languages, like the name of the deck, the card on the corner. But in this particular deck, it does not have that, that's something I like. I like it without the writing. Okay, I like it without the writing. That's just my preference, my personal preference. So that's something I noticed that's a little different from their usual deck. It's pretty reflective. It's very glossy. This is the back of the card. Okay, as you can see, it reflects the card. It reflects the light a lot. And regular size, regular thickness. Okay. So this is the Fool's card. And it's the Black Cat's Tarot, and so that's why the main character in this deck is the black cat. But the Fool card starts out with this white cat. There is a black cat right here, I think. Or no, that's just shadow. Okay, so now you'll see all the black cats coming out. See how slippery it is? I think this is the super cute. Look, this is the World card, and the white cat took off the black cat's skin. It revealed its inner self. It's the cutest thing. All right, so this is Ace of Cups. I think Ace of Cups is really different for this deck too, because usually Ace of Cups is just a cup, right? Maybe some decks they'll show like a person or something, but this almost feels like a 10 of cups, doesn't it? has like the family, everybody enjoying it, and you actually feel the love a lot. So it's not like a one-sided love. It is more like, yeah, mutual family. This is kind of cute too. It's the Page of Cups, and the black cat is a little Cupid. Isn't that cute? I also think this Nine of Coins is really interesting because the cat is staying afloat on top of the water, but then surrounding the cat is like a bunch of sharks. Anyways. Yeah, you have to memorize that this is the king and this is the queen, because we don't have the writing, so you don't know if this is the king or the queen, right? Ace of Wands. Of Swords. And that's it. That is the all 78 cards of the Black Cat Tarot. And I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's worth having, actually. I actually got a lot of feeling just flipping through the deck. You can use the link down below to purchase yours. And if you have anything you would like to share with me, you can leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, or subscribe to my channel under my video, and turn on that notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.